Becca and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. This morning I've decided to take a little time, slow down, and delight in simple pleasures that a winter morning has to offer. Oftentimes when I wake up in the mornings, I tend to place my focus on homeschool firsthand, telling our children, let's hurry up and finish your cereal. We have school. Don't forget to make your bed. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Morning work needs to be done. Copy work needs to be written. But on this particular morning, instead of policing everyone, I just let things flow. I chose to be at ease, and I chose to be content and warm the hearts of not only our souls, but the heart of our home, the kitchen. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me today and have stopped by for a cozy visit at our little farmhouse in the deep winter plains of Iowa. The delightful sounds and smells of making coffee or tea on an early winter morning, or for any morning for that matter, can be promising and peaceful. Whether it's the sound of a tea kettle warming fresh water on the stove or the gentle humming of a Keurig in the corner, the hope and ritual of simply rising early and completing this cozy ritual is so simple and mundane, but yet so deeply rooted in our hands and souls as we again take on another day in this life. Another idea I had on this cold, calm winter morning was baking. So often, especially these past few months, I've been getting into a habit of reminding our kids that breakfast is ready in the pantry or freezer. A variety of cold cereals, bagels, frozen waffles, and all that is completely fine and all. But there really is something significant about getting into the hearths of our homes and creating something warm and nourishing from our own two hands. It doesn't matter how long it takes, 10 minutes, 2 hours, whatever time that's given to us on that particular morning. But warm and cozy spices that have been baked and beginning to wave through the kitchen, especially on a cold winter morning, can be extremely comforting to ourselves and those around us living in our home. And these smells can actually help calm a busy mind and body as well. So now that the bread is in the oven, I decided to make use of all those berries that I bought from the market the other day. And just looking at the beautiful and bright colors of them all was kind of hard to pass up. But we do take advantage and we do pay for the convenience of these beautiful berries this time of year. But looking forward to cultivating and harvesting our own berries this summer and fall.